It looks like I'm in the Fast and the Furious movie, van edition. Look at that. I am very close to the sea. I just want to see the beach. That is all. I can ride a motorcycle here. Yes, I can. Now there is a... There's a dude fishing over there. He's looking weird at me. I'm just saying hi, he's saying hi back. I'm gonna be... Dude, you need bigger glasses than that. Yeah. Cheese. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Jimny and the Brabants yet again. And into the distance, look at that. We get the KTM 2022 KTM Super Adventure R and about to take it for a ride today to the Netherlands. So without any further ado, look at this little precious thing. Yes, we are heading over to the Netherlands and I will tell you all about it on a motorcycle. Anyway, let's do this. Just like that, we are back for yet another very exciting ride. We have the Insta360 X3, brand spanking new camera from Insta360. Not promoted, not sponsored. I did not get it for free. I do not want any more hassle with promoting other stuff. Not going to do that. We are back on the bike, not discussing my dog. He pooped some more blood yesterday, so it's going very bad. We are on our way to the Netherlands. Yes, because why? It's going to be a great day today because this already feels like the Netherlands. Look at that. We got some windmills, got some beautiful scenery over here, but it's going to get even... Oh, that quick shifter. So it's going to get even better. Now, in today's video, we are riding. Sometimes I say driving for some reason, but it's actually riding a motorcycle. We are riding to Lisse. Yay! Lisse is a place in the Netherlands that has a lot of tulips, like a lot of tulips. I will also be testing out the new Insta360, what it can do. For some reason I can put like my GPS, my coordinates on it, and how fast I'm riding. Not sure if I really want to show that all the time, but the exhaust is still smoking from the popcorn. I hope it's not gonna catch fire. Oh boy. Yeah, the smell of burnt popcorn in my exhaust right now is kind of terrifying. So when I stop, there's like a lot of popcorn smoke going out, and I'm not really sure if I like it and if I trust it. I like it, but it's a little bit burned. I'm not really sure. It could catch fire, and I do not have any water with me. I might stop and get some water. That might be a good idea. Now, if there is something that the Dutch have that we don't have, it is cool freaking ass bridges. It looks like I'm in the Fast and the Furious movie, van edition. Look at that. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry about that. I should cut this part out. Not gonna use this in the video, okay? Now the weather always sucks in the Netherlands, but the views and the bridges are absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. It feels like I'm in America or something like that. I am very close to the sea. I just want to see the beach. That is all. Beach. Jam, traffic jam. We always got some traffic jams. Not everybody is as happy. Look at this, look at this. He's coming to the left. You see that? You see that? He's coming to the left. He's not letting me pass. This is an absolutely dick move. See that? There is a lot of people that do this dick move. You see that? Yeah. Some people are just really frustrated that they do not have a motorcycle and that they get stuck in traffic. Just be friendly. I mean, every car is like a potential death trap for a motorcycle. Anyway, up to the Tulips. We need to go to the Tulips. Next video, I'm at the Tulips. I swear. Swear to God. Suzuki Jimny, look at that. That's my Jimny. That's my Jimny. Oh, Tulips. I'm really sorry. Really sorry. Now, a little fun fact. Last year I came here as well, and I wanted to show you guys the tulips as well last year, but I was kind of late. These fields are all empty. This should be freaking beautiful. So, I think I'm too late again. God dang it! Early May they would be here. This is not looking promising. Not so ever. God dang it. I am not joking. The field over there is also empty, and the field over there is also empty. Empty fields. God dang it. No freaking way, I did not do it again.
We did it again!
Oh yeah, I found some. There's a pigeon over there or something like that. I found some. We got some pink ones, we got some yellow ones, we have some foreigners. Look at that. Some people did this is like a really small. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's tulips for sale. I gotta buy a tulip today. Look at that house. Look at that house. They even have their own boat and their own little canals. Look at this. Ah, this is nice. This is nice. Like everything is also covered here because tourists are absolutely killing these fields. That is a fact. Oh, look at that. Oh, good thing I have my 360 camera. Is it recording on 360? I absolutely do. I absolutely hope it does. But oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I gotta park somewhere close, but I know for a fact that I can't really come close because the farmers are probably going to kill me. Let me pass, buddy. Let me pass. What the hell? Oh, there's like a flower garden, or there's like a beautiful garden going on over there.
Oh my god! Wow!
Holy shit, there's a lot of people. I don't like being in between too many people like this, so gotta find my own little spot and fly my drone. You can actually buy something here. What can you buy here? What are these shops? Oh, you can buy tulips here. You can actually buy flowers here. I wouldn't have expected that. There's also a potty, a shitty potty, so I can do some dumpy. Don't need that. I just wanna. Yeah, I gotta fly my drone here. This is beautiful. There is like tulips every freaking where you look. Every store is like, it's like driving in Scotland near a Loch Ness monster where Nessie is, and everybody's trying to sell you some Nessie parts. Like everything. I'm probably sure you got some tulip biscuits or something like that. Not really sure if you can actually eat a tulip, but you know, it feels like that. Everything is about tulips here, and I like it. There is a lot of water. A lot of people actually have a small boat across their house. There's a lot of Humvees here. That is not. Look at that. That is a fail. They're actually picking freaking flowers. Oh, that's bad. I'm a train. I'm a chugga train. You guys startled. Who startled? I didn't. You guys did. I'm a train. Oh, look at that. Everybody has a little boat. There's a dude fishing over there. He's looking weird at me. I'm just saying hi. He's saying hi back. Beautiful scenery over here. Beautiful little bridge. Not gonna disturb that guy too much with my loud noise again. But this is a dead end. We got a dead end over there. I'm just trying to find a nice field with some nice tulip flowers to do some more shots. Gotta find that perfect shot. And I will find it. I will find it. Yet again, some more tulip madness. People just crawling over them. They have like spiked fences and they do not care one bit. Not at all. No respect for the farmer and his income. Now I do believe that I have found a couple of nice spots. Taking the back roads here. I can ride a motorcycle here. Yes, I can. Now there is a... Take care, buddy. Take care. Calm down. Calm down. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy just yet. So I'm not really sure if I can ride my motorcycle here. There's like a lot of bikes here. Nobody seems to be complaining, and I have no idea what's going on here. What the hell is that? There's a car there. What is this? I am confused. Oh, he's fishing? Oh, I can ride my motorcycle here. There's a car here, so I'm pretty sure I can actually ride my motorcycle here. I need some more tulips. Oh, I can't go there. I cannot go there. I mean, imagine living here so peaceful and so quiet. Just so very relaxing. Look at that house. Look at that house. That is just awesome. Look at that. Oh, I gotta stop here for a second. Yeah, I'm gonna fly my drone right here. It is like very crowded here. The roads are like very tiny, and this guy is, well, you guessed it, he's driving a flower truck. He's absolutely driving a flower truck. Now, I did saw a cool space. I did saw a cool spot. I really need a scooter here. I did saw a cool spot, so I am definitely going back. What is going on over here? I'm just gonna bail. I'm gonna bail. Dude, you need bigger glasses than that.
My name is Jeff.
He already had big glasses, but he needs a lot selfie. He needs a lot bigger glasses. What the hell is going on over here? Dude, some tourists are just strange. So strange, but I'm having a good time. What the hell is going on over here? I have no idea, but I'm joining in. I'm joining in. These guys are having a blast. And they are not Dutch. They are by far Dutch. That is for sure. Jesus, what's going on? They all need that tulip. We got some Chinese people here. Oh, we got hard nipples. Oh, I can't really say that. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, yeah, that's really hard nipples over there. I'm not gonna lie. God dang it. That was a lot of noise. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna walk through the field again. Just gotta walk through here. Gotta do it. Hey. Yeah, I should blur out her face. That is for sure. Hey. We're just gonna walk through here. I think I can. I think it's not that big of a problem. I do have to buy some tulips, maybe. I'm not sure. This is nice. This is going to be a cool thumbnail also. Jeez. So like I said, the farmers are absolutely top notch, and these tulips are like, I like it. Oh, so nice. Now that we have seen some tulips, I'm gonna get some dinner, but first we're going to do some GTO style 360. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but let's just see what happens. I'm gonna add some funny music because I'm pretty sure this is going to be a fun sight. Konnichiwa, ni hao, shishi. I need some grub. I need some food. Seems like a lot of these people, a lot of these people didn't even see a motorcycle before or something. I don't know, but rear tire pressure low. That is bad. That also needs service. Gotta reset that. Anyway, funny music. Here it comes. Yeah, there are some fences here, but I do not care. I just get on. I just get on the farmer's field. Aw. Please do not destroy the flowers. Oh, he's making a TikTok or something, probably. In black, hit the sack, ain't no time to go back. And just like that, we are back in black. Where we started at our first field, there is another buzzer. I rather cut myself in the ball sack with a rusted knife as going on a bus trip. That is for sure, with a lot of people in the same bus. So I'm really sorry that I did not go inside of that. I don't know, there's something like very big happening over there with a ton of people over there. I'm really sorry that I do not go in there, but yeah, like I said, if I'm riding my motorcycle, I want to enjoy, I want to relax, and I'm not into that. I just don't want to see a lot of other people. I do like other people, I am a very social person, but like crowded masses of people, that really annoys me. I have to go back. I just saw this lady yank out like a full bush, 2 full bushes of roses or tulips or whatever those things are called, tulips, and the amount of disrespect is crazy. Just put half her trunk full of, look at that. These guys over here, the amount of disrespect from that family is absolutely, their car is even in the middle of the freaking field. You can obviously tell they're not from here, but they drove their car just all the way up the field. Like, they might own the place. I might be wrong, but I am almost 99.9% sure, and that is a lot, 99.9% for Smokey, that they do not own that place. She just yanked out a bush of tulips. Screw it. She filled up her trunk. It's the amount of disrespect. I mean, the farmer also has to work for its money. Like, I feel bad just putting my foot on like a small piece of grass from the farmer. God dang it. So this place is called Lisse. Do not forget, that is all I wanted to say for today. Hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to smack that like button in the face. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course.